A gift is something special that you give to someone you care about. It can be for a birthday, a holiday like Christmas, or just to show that you appreciate them. Gifts can be big or small. They can be something you buy from a store, like a toy or a book, or they can be something you make yourself, like a drawing or a card. The most important thing about a gift is that it comes from the heart. When you give a gift, it makes the other person happy. They feel loved and appreciated. And when you receive a gift, it makes you feel special and cared for. There are many types of gifts. Some common ones are toys, clothes, jewelry, books, and flowers. But really, a gift can be anything that shows you thought about the person and what they like. For example, if your friend loves soccer, you could give them a soccer ball or a jersey from their favorite team. Or if your mom loves cooking, you could give her a new recipe book or a set of kitchen tools. Gifts don't have to be expensive. It's the thought and effort that count. You can even give a gift that doesn't cost any money, like helping someone with a task or spending time with them doing something they enjoy. In some cultures, giving and receiving gifts is a big part of celebrations. For example, during Christmas, people exchange gifts to celebrate the holiday and show their love for each other. It's a way of spreading joy and making memories together. So the next time you want to show someone you care, think about giving them a gift. It doesn't have to be fancy or expensive. What matters most is the love and thought behind it.